Texas is a mighty proud state. From its beautiful yellow roses to its world champion Dallas Cowboys. From its huge oil and cattle ranches to its breathtaking long-legged ladies. Yes, sir, Texas has a lot to be proud of.
But there's one horrible nightmare the fine folks of Texas wish everyone would forget. A bloodbath of horror that just won't go away. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Come face to face with a movie so ghastly it was banned in 27 countries. But this weekend you can see it complete and uncut at midnight. But please, if your neighbors just moved here from Texas, whatever you do, don't remind them of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Ladies and gentlemen, how on earth can we warn you about a movie like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre? We can't preview scenes from the film because most television stations won't air them. We can't interview the victims because the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a true story and most of them are buried. The few that did survive have moved away, changed their names. They don't want to be remembered. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, one of the most bizarre and brutal crimes in America's darkest history. It's not who will survive, but what will be left of them.
Sally, I hear something. Stop!
The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the one midnight movie you don't want to see by yourself. Take only as much as you can.
I can't watch it. Get me out of here. I can't look. I can't watch it.
It's an old, creepy-looking house that sits up on a hill out in the woods, away from all civilization. It's no wonder no one heard the screams, but nowadays it's a tourist attraction. People from all over the country stop to see the most famous house in all of Texas, because it's here. It's this house where one of the most bizarre and brutal crimes in all of history occurred. Ask anyone about it. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. It's the most terrifying movie ever made because it really did happen. So real and terrifying. It's been banned in 27 countries around the world, including Canada. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Remember, no one is going to make you see this movie. The choice is yours. But the theater and its producers absolutely refuse to take responsibility for anything that happens to your heart or your mind. A Texas Chainsaw Massacre, rated R. Parents, please leave the kids with the babysitter and take as much as you can.